Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm doing this epic set of acrylic nails today. Now these were totally inspired by Liz's acrylic nails. If you haven't heard of her, go and check her out. She is amazing. So I wanted to do this fancy set because I have something on this weekend and I'm going to be meeting people who know what I do, so I know that they'll be making a beeline for my nails. So that's the reasoning behind this set. So I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to get straight on with the tutorial. So I'm using these pre-pinch tips today purely because they give me a nice sort of consistent shape across the whole set. So before I applied these, I did do some cuticle work and cleanse and all that good stuff beforehand. And then I'm going to get straight onto the cutout design. So this is the nail that's inspired by Liz. She does some amazing cutout not polished designs and she just makes it look so easy. So this was my first attempt and there's definitely more practice that is needed, but I was really happy with my first go. So I'm going in here with a cover pink and I will list all the things that I used in the description box below. And you want like a nice wall for the next colour to butt up to, and then once that's set I am going to go in and file it really sharp. So here I'm just showing you like how thick you actually want it to be, because I'm actually building my apex at the same time as I'm doing this sort of cutout design. So while I was waiting for that to set, I moved on to the pinky finger. This is going to be an entire glitter nail. So I'm just laying down a very thin coat of clear first. And then I'm going to go in with GLAM and GLITS Pink Delight. Now this is an already pre-mixed glitter, so you don't need to add any clear with it or anything. It's already pre-mixed for you. And then I just try and put a really thin coat of that on, covering the whole nail, and then I will go in and cap this once it's dry. So back to the cutout nail, and I'm just going to file this really nice and sharp. So make sure you've got your file at like a 90-degree angle and you're really pushing against that acrylic to get a nice crisp line. And then I just remove the dust, and now I'm going in with a white. And I think I did miss a little bit of where I should have put the cover pink on this side, so I'm going to have to fill that with white, but obviously, you know, you live and learn. And then get your wall ready, and then I do go in with a little bit more white just over where the pink meets the white, so when I come to file there's not going to be any dips and you're going to have a nice crisp line. So onto the ring finger. This is going to be a glitter fade, so I'm just putting the cover pink in the nail bed area, and then the rest of the nail will be that same GLAM and GLITS glitter, and just faded up one side of the nail. So back to the cutout nail, and again that's nice and dry, so I'm just filing it nice and crisp, and the next colour is going to be the glitter again, so it all ties in. So get rid of your dust, and then I'm just applying the glitter. Now this obviously isn't like a strength powder, so I am going to cap this. So I'm actually applying just enough and it sort of sits below the height of the wall, because I'm then going to cap it, and that's going to be where the white and the clear will meet, if that makes sense. So when I come to file, it's going to file the clear as opposed to the glitter. So the index finger, I just wanted all cover pink, just so I can put some crystals on at the end. So back to the middle finger again and filing that next section, getting rid of the dust, and then the next colour I went in with was black, because I just wanted like a real cool contrast. So I don't know if this is a strength powder or not, so I'm just keeping it thin, and then I'm also going to cap that with clear like I did the glitter section. Now I know that nail looks like a hot mess right now, but I promise you it will look really cool at the end. So I'm just going back and capping any nails with the glitter in clear. And then I actually went in with my e-file just to debulk this nail, and I haven't shown all the filing, but I just wanted to show you, like, when you file through the join, how lovely and crisp the line is. So they have all been filed, and I'm actually going to add some crystals here at the cuticle area on the cover pink nail, and these are just from Crystal Parade, so I will link these down below. I think they're the AB crystals, and I just chose randomly some just to make like a pattern on the nail, and here I'm just using the gel bottle ink rubber top coat. It's great for adhering gems. I find it lasts for ages. They just really do not go anywhere at all. So I'm just going to top coat these now with the Gel Bottle Ink Extreme Shine top coat, and then cure that. So these are the finished nails. I absolutely adore them. I'm not gonna lie, they were a labour of love. I have suffered a couple of file nicks where I've used a new file and hadn't scored it, and actually doing the cutout design on my dominant hand was so difficult, but I did persevere. Now I know they're not perfect. I do need to sort of work on my cutout designs and get a bit closer to the cuticle, because I can see quite a lot of flaws, but you know, as it stands, I'm really happy with them. So I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Go and check out Liz if you get a chance. She is so inspiring. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.